How to change skin on Warface. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change skin on Warface. Changing skin on Warface is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Warface and log in. Launch the game and log into your account if required. Go to the Armory or Inventory. From the main menu, navigate to Armory or Inventory section, where your weapon and equipment are managed. Select the item customization. Choose the weapon or character skin you want to use. This could be a specific weapon or piece of equipment or your character. Access skin or customization option. Look for a tab or option related to skin customization or appearance. Click on it to view available skins. Choose and apply the skin. Browse through the list of available skins. Select the skin you want to apply. Some skins may be available for purchase or require unlocking through gameplay. Click equip or apply to change the skin. Confirm and save changes. Ensure your selection is applied. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.